Today's video, we will be talking about how to activate chat heads in Messenger iPhone. This is a full guide, guys. So, of course, you will be needing to open up your Messenger app through your phone. Then we need to go to the menu. Then from the menu, you will be needing to go to settings. That should be the page where it should say settings. Then look for notification and sounds. That is the page. Make sure that the show previews is on and do not disturb is off, because do not disturb will not pop up anything if in case that's on. Now once we're done there, go to your phone settings. Where's my phone settings? There you go. Now scroll at the bottom for you to see Messenger app. Messenger app, where are you? From there, we're gonna do some settings to have those active chats heads up. So there you go, that's Messenger. Then go to notifications. Make sure all alert have check mark on it. Batch should be on and allow notification should be on. So there you go. Those are the steps that you can actually follow in order for you to active chat heads in Messenger iPhone. Hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching and bye for now.